In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a logo in Google Forms. This is a great way to personalize your forms and make them more visually appealing and branded to your specific needs. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to do it effectively. So, let's dive right in. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. If you haven't already done so, log in to your Google account. Once you're logged in and on the Google Forms homepage, you can either create a new form by selecting the blank form option or choose an existing form that you want to customize with a logo. Now that you're inside your form, look towards the top of the page where you'll find a small palette icon, often referred to as the Customize Theme button. Clicking on this icon opens up several customization options for your form. You'll see options to change the font style, colors, and, of course, the header where we'll be adding our logo. To add your logo, click on the Choose Image option located under the header section. This action will prompt a pop-up window giving you several options for uploading your image. You can upload an image directly from your computer by clicking the Upload tab, or you can choose from photos already saved in your Google Photos if you have them synced. If your logo is located on your hard drive, simply drag and drop it into the upload area or use the Select a File from your device option. Once you've uploaded your image, it will automatically resize to fit within the header area of your Google form. One important tip: when uploading, try to use a high-resolution image to ensure that your logo appears crisp and clear. Remember, this is part of your branding, so quality should be at the forefront of your mind. After inserting the logo, take a moment to ensure it's displayed as you'd like. You can adjust the cropping by clicking on the image within the editor. Google Forms provides simple cropping tools if you need to tweak how the image appears. Finally, after you're satisfied with your logo placement and how everything looks, be sure to preview your form. This can be done by clicking on the eye icon at the top of the page. This preview will show you exactly how others will see the form, complete with your newly added logo. Inserting a logo into your Google form is a straightforward process that greatly enhances the overall design and professionalism of your forms. By following these steps, you've successfully made your form more visually appealing and in line with your personal or corporate branding. Experiment with different logos and styles to fully utilize Google Forms customization capabilities. Thanks for watching and happy form creating.